Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the recovery menu. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on it is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. So once the battery is charged, we can continue, and now you will need to press and hold the upper and the lower button together and keep holding them until you see the Samsung logo on the screen with the rebooting message under it. And once you see it on the screen, release the both buttons and start pressing the upper button repeatedly to enter the boot menu. So let's do that. Press and hold buttons, wait until you see the rebooting message on the screen, then release them and start pressing the upper button repeatedly. Like this. And after a few presses, I believe it's free, you will enter the boot mode, and you can scroll through the menu by pressing the upper button, select the recovery option because we want to enter the recovery menu, and then press and hold the upper button to confirm. And the watch will reboot, and after it's done booting up, it will boot into a recovery mode. So let's wait. Okay, and as you can see, we're in a recovery mode now. And to move through this menu, you can use the touch screen. You can swipe up and down on the screen. And if you want to confirm the selection, you can swipe left and right. So what we need to do is to select the wipe data / factory reset option. And once you select it, you need to swipe left or right on the screen to confirm. Then select the factory data reset and swipe left or right on the screen to confirm. Wait until the wiping process is complete. And then you will see the menu again, and you need to select the reboot system now and swipe left or right to reboot the watch. And now let's wait until the setup process maybe, or still, I believe the watch is still resetting, so let's wait until that process is complete. Okay, and once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.